In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Asana projects in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a team or keeping track of personal tasks, ensuring that your work is safely backed up is crucial. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Asana's website. Simply go to the login page. Next, enter your email address associated with your Asana account. It's important to double check that you've entered your email address correctly to avoid any issues when logging in. After that, click on the button that says continue. Now it's time to input your password. Make sure you're entering this securely, especially if you're in a public setting. Once your password is typed in, go ahead and click the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Asana homepage, which is where all the action begins. On your homepage, look through your projects and choose the one you'd like to back up. Click on that project to open it. At the top of the project page, you'll notice a drop-down menu in the project header. Click on this drop-down to reveal more options. From here, you'll choose Sync Export. This feature allows you to transfer your project data to another format, making it easy to create backups. From the Sync Export options, you'll want to click on CSV. If you aren't familiar with CSV files, they're a type of file that can be easily opened with spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This format is very handy if you need to move data around or have it accessible offline. After clicking on CSV, you'll be prompted to select an option. This might include choices such as exporting all tasks or only selected ones. Pick the option that best suits your needs. Finally, you'll see a button to export CSV. Click this and your file will start downloading onto your computer. Now, if you're looking for more advanced backup options, there are third-party apps designed specifically for this purpose. Consider programs like Fluent Pro Backup or Pro Backup, which can automate your backup process and offer more robust features beyond exporting CSV files. These tools often provide scheduled backups and additional formats, giving you peace of mind that your Asana data is always safe and sound. And there you have it. Backing up your Asana projects is straightforward and quick. With these steps, your data will be securely backed up and easily accessible whenever you need it. Remember, regular backups can save you a lot of time and frustration down the road, so make it a habit to back up your projects regularly. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure you subscribe for more quick and easy guides. See you in the next video.